Garden. I hope you all are ready to do some counting today because that is what we are going to do. I need you to get your Lincoln Cube blocks out of your red bag. Remember, they look like this. We're going to use them a lot today. Okay, so how many cubes do I have right here? I have 1, 2, 3, and then 4, but the fourth one is covered up. There we go, 4. So I need you to get out 4 cubes yourself. Go ahead and get out those 4 cubes, and the very first thing I want you to do is put them in a straight line, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we've done a lot of organizing and reorganizing numbers, so we know that even though 1, 2, 3, 4 looks like this when it's in a straight line, it's still 4 when we put them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So go ahead and put your 4 like this. This has 2 rows of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. But remember, 2 and 2 is the same as 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What if I put them all the way in the corners of the screen just like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. I still have 4 even when I stretch them out all the way into the corners. Okay. I want you to take out another cube from your bag and count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes. Now, you can organize these cubes in any way that you want, but you're still going to have 5 cubes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's called a 5 group. When we have 5 of something, we call it a 5 group. And we are going to be using 5 groups for such a long time in math. You're even going to use groups of 5 when you're in 3rd grade. So it's very, very, very important. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start working with something called a 5 group template. Remember, you can scramble them up and it's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our 5 group math. I have it up here. It's on page 83. Now, a 5 group mat is meant to help us stay organized. You might be thinking, how is this supposed to help me stay organized? So I'm going to show you. You still have your 5 cubes. So let's watch what happens when I use my mat to help me count. I'm going to put my first cube on the first circle that I see right up here. 1. I'm going to put the next one down below it. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at how nice and organized this is. And because I know this is a 5 group mat, I actually know that I only have 5 cubes just by looking at it because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to have you get out another cube. Where are you going to put it on your 5 group mat? You're right, you have more than 5. So you can't put it in this column right here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what the number 6 looks like. You can go ahead and draw that number 6. Pretty cute. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started on this problem set today. So this lesson is nice and quick. Uh-oh, I need to move my face out of the way. There we go. Okay, so first you always put your name at the top. So I could write Serenity. I could write Sir Blake. I could write Cody. I could write Kalia. Whatever your name is, write it at the top of this page, and I'm going to read you the directions. It says, draw 1 more. Then count the objects and write the number in the box. Okay, so the first thing it says is draw 1 more. So I'm going to draw 1 more cloud right here. And then how many will I have? 1, 2, 3. So I write the number 3 right there. How about I go ahead and show you the next thing? 1, 2, 3. So go ahead and draw that and write the number 3. Next, I have 1, 2, 3 smiley faces. I need to draw one more. And then how many would I have? 3, 4. So I write the number 4. You're going to go ahead and continue doing that for this one over here. You draw one more and then you count it. Okay. The next thing I want you to do is look down here. It says draw one more, then circle the number. Okay, so you're going to draw one more triangle, and then you're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and circle the right number. Here it says draw 6 fingers. Here it says draw 6 beads. So go ahead and finish up with this page. Don't worry if you need help. We're going to go over it together. And then when we come to math class, get ready to talk about it. Good job.